Go ahead.
Okay. This is the new AMPR'UP model Spark. We have two models of these, the Sprite and the Spark. And these are designed for the people who are a little shorter or just a little intimidated by a full-size bike. And this bike comes shipped in restricted throttle mode, so you can't go more than 16 kilometers an hour in the highest assist level. The first question everybody's going to ask after they're comfortable with the bike is, how do I get into the higher assist level? So I'm going to show you that right now. First you turn the bike on, and you'll see right now it's in assist. It's in restricted level. It only gives you 3 levels of assist. And on full throttle in this mode, you'll see the bike will only go to 18 kilometers, 19 kilometers an hour. Okay. And after your rider becomes comfortable and skilled enough to handle the bike, you can reset the levels here by entering the menu, and you go to down here to the 3 dots right above the exit, press enter, and then you come down here to advanced settings, press, and then you input your password, which all bikes are defaulted to password 1919. So click it once down there to do your input. Press this. This will light the first one up. Up button gives you 1. Press enter. Down button gives you 9. Press enter. Up button gives you 1. Enter. Down button gives you 9. And then you press enter. Oops, sorry. Press enter. There you go. And now you can come down to exit. And here you go. Now you should have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all levels, and the bike will now get to its 32 kilometer an hour full limited speed. And the assist levels are tied to the throttle. The throttle will only, if you're in assist level 1, the bike on full throttle will only go about 10 kilometers an hour. If you're on assist level 2, it will only go to about 14 kilometers an hour. And on assist level 3, it will only go to about 16 to 18 kilometers an hour. So it's a good learning process for people who may be intimidated with, or younger riders that want to learn how to ride an e-bike. So there you go. Enjoy it.